Hi guys, it's Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a clear slime video tutorial. So, clear slime tutorials have been going pretty viral on the internet, so I decided to make one of my own. So this is my simplified tutorial on how to make clear slime, and all you need are 3 ingredients, and I know, right? Super simple. And although I may not show the fully clear slime in this video, I will on my Instagram, so go check it out. It's hollyworldslimes on IG. I'll show my username somewhere in the video. I don't know when, but somewhere. So yeah, let's begin the video.